Beyond the high-tech names the world recognizes from Silicon Valley, our community is home to some lesser-known locals. Native wildlife. Meet Santa Clara Valley's wildest residents. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals. These animals rely on our region's last remaining untouched open spaces and agricultural lands not only for habitat, but movement between mountain ranges. Many animals here are unique to the Bay Area, rare or threatened. Our wild neighbors depend on all of us to protect and restore their homes. Because healthy ecosystems create healthy economies and solutions for climate change. So we can all be a little more climate resilient.